Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll be showing you how can you build a simple application in your PC. The simple application I'm showing in this video is a calculator which can perform operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So without wasting much time, let's get started. For making this you need an application which is this one, Microsoft Visual Basic 2010 Express. So to download the software, I have given a link in the description. The link is this one. What you need to do is just copy the link and open your browser and paste it there. After that, the download will automatically start, as you can see here. Since I have already downloaded, I'll cancel the download. And while installing, you need to have an internet connection to download the files of around 100 to 200 MB only. And after that, open the software which you have downloaded. A window like this will open. You need to click on the new project and select the first one, Windows Forms application. You can name it here or you can also name it afterwards, and for the timing I am naming it afterwards. After pressing OK, you'll get a window like this. Just expand it and you can see a toolbox here, right? Click on the toolbox, you'll get many common controls. So from this controls, you need to pick label. For picking, just hold and drag it to the form here and name it as enter first number from the keyboard. Just type it after you leave, drag the file, drag the label, and then again take another label, press it there and type on the keyboard enter second number and press enter. After that, you'll get a text box here. Just simply drag it here, then again go to a toolbox and take another text box and drag it here. You cannot copy and paste the text box, and please don't try to do that. After that, again go to the toolbox and search for the button. So the button is here. Our button, drag it here and from the keyboard name it as add and press enter. Again drag another button and then type on the keyboard subtract and hit enter. Then take another button and again type on the keyboard multiply and hit enter. One more button and again type on the keyboard divide and hit enter. So let's arrange the buttons on the form. We have arranged the buttons on the form. Again go to toolbox and take the label, drag it and bring it here and name it from the keyboard as result and press enter. After that, again go to toolbox, click on the text box and drag it here and leave it here. After you do these things, just double click on the add button and again a new window like this will open. Here you need to type something. The thing which you need to type here is this one. Sorry. Also plus. After you write this one, just copy whatever you have written. After copy, go again to this option form1.vb, double click on this track button and Ctrl V and change this plus icon to minus. Again go to form 1, click on double click on multiply and Control V and change the plus sign to multiplication sign, not X, multiplication
Again, go
sign.
here, double click on divide, Control V and change the plus icon symbol to slash. So the application is ready within 5 minutes, right? Then go to Form 1 again and click on the F5 button. So here is your application. Let's try with something. Let's try with 20 and on the second number with 10. Let's click on add. So the result is here, 30. You can see subtract 20 correct, multiply 200 correct.
Thanks for watching the video, and I hope that you like the video. You can make this application surprise your friends.
Save your application, just click on the file button, save form1.vb as, then you can save it anywhere. For now I'm saving it desktop, and you can name your application such as calculator. Hit enter and your application is saved. So thank you for watching the video.